Are you tired of sending generic, unbranded business letters that don't stand out? What if I told you that in just 5 minutes, you could design a professional print-ready letterhead for free using Canva? In this video, I'll walk you through the entire process, step by step. Step 1. Open Canva and choose a letterhead template. First, log into Canva. It's free. Then, in the search bar, type letterhead. You'll see dozens of customizable templates. Pick one that matches your brand, whether it's sleek and corporate or creative and modern. You can use existing template or create a new design from scratch. I'll use this template to create our letterhead. Expert tip: while choosing a template, filter by industry like law firm or creative agency to find the best match for your business. Customize your letterhead design. Now, let's make it yours. Click on the text to add your company name, address, phone number, and logo. Use your brand colors and fonts for consistency. This makes your letterhead instantly recognizable. Here, type the company name and tagline. Here, type phone number, website address, email address, and company address in details. At the bottom, you can make any change or remain the same as the template is. Expert tip: stick to 2-3 colors max and clean fonts for a professional look. Need brand colors? Use Canva's color palette generator. Add your logo and branding elements. Drag and drop your logo into the design. Resize it and place it at the top or in the header. You can also add subtle branding elements like a watermark or a border, but keep it clean. Expert tip: if you want a transparent logo background, upload a PNG file or remove the background using Canva's background remover tool. Step 4. Adjust margins and layout for printing. Most printers need a 0.5-inch margin on all sides. Use Canva's ruler guides under File. Show rulers to keep text and logos within the safe zone so nothing gets cut off. Expert tip: for double-sided printing, duplicate your design and add a subtle pattern or contact info on the back. Step 5. Download and print your letterhead. Once you're happy, click Download and choose PDF print for the best quality. If you're printing at home, use high-quality paper 100 Zim Plus for a premium feel. Bonus tip: order a test print first to check colors. Sometimes they look different on paper than on screen. Now it's time to print the downloaded file. Let's open it. And that's it. You just designed a professional, branded letterhead in minutes without hiring a designer. Now, every business letter you send will look polished and official. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more Canva and branding tutorials. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. I reply to everyone. Want more? Watch my next video on how to design business cards in Canva. Thanks for watching. Click here for my next video. See you in the next one.